He loves Bangladesh, he loves the people, and inshallah it will be a win.
ওরা একটু থাকতে চাইছিল, ওরা কম সময় হয়েছে, ওদের জন্য এনাফ হয় নাই। ওরা বলছে আমরা চলে যাবো কেন এখন। আবার খুবই ভালো লাগছে, আমরা খুবই প্রাউড ফিল করতেছি। আরও প্রাউড করছি বাংলাদেশের হামজা বাংলাদেশের প্রতিনিধিত্ব করতেছে, এটাই আমাদের মানে মন ভরে যাচ্ছে। এবং বাংলাদেশ টিমের জন্য অনেক অনেক আমাদের দোয়া করতেছে আল্লাহ যাতে ওদের আশা পূর্ণ করে। আর হামজা যে আশা নিয়ে বাংলাদেশে আসছে যে বাংলাদেশের জন্য কিছু করবে, আমরা দুজনে কেন সবাই আমাদের ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার সবাই দোয়া করতেছে যাতে সে যে আসছে বাংলাদেশের জন্য কিছু করতে, যাতে কিছু করতে পারে।
As a mother, how's your feeling?
Oh, I can't describe it. There's no words to describe how it feels. Inshallah, it will all be very good. And obviously, for him to play for Bangladesh has been so overwhelming. It's been really, really amazing. Inshallah, not just for Bangladesh, for generations to come, for the whole of the, for the football family, it will be inshallah something hopeful. But the fact is also, it's not just Hamza. The whole team has been working so hard, and it's one of the things Hamza's been saying. Everybody's focusing on Hamza, all hope on them, but all the other team, they've been training so hard. They went to Saudi, and they need as much credit as everything. So inshallah, they'll all work great as a team, and they'll do their best. We know they'll do their best. They're really, really in good spirits, and they're very, very hopeful. They've worked hard, so they've put the work in, so it is going to be what it is, and inshallah it will be a win. To everybody else, he's a footballer. At the end of the day, he's just like you and me. He works hard, he tries hard, and what is right, what is wrong, and he has good morals. And that's just the way, one of the things that you've put into him. What is right, and you always have to stand for what is right. And I think that has come through in the way he wants to represent Bangladesh as well. I think, there's been so much negativity around everything that he wants to say that's not what real Bangladesh is like. He loves Bangladesh, he loves the people. And the fact is that people are what makes Bangladesh. And so, he wanted to highlight that. And also it's a thingy of why is he humble? Alhamdulillah, we've just been blessed with a really good son. Alhamdulillah, that is a gift from Allah to us. The fact that, because it could be anything, he could be anyhow.
হামজা যখন ছোট্ট ছিল এই বাংলাদেশে আইসা এই খেলতো, কাদামাটিতে খেলতো, ভরতো, তার বাচ্চারা এক্স্যাক্টলি সেম জিনিসই করছে। বাড়ির মধ্যে গিয়ে ওরা দৌড়তেছে, কিন্তু পারি নাই মানুষের জন্য, কিন্তু ওরা একটু থাকতে চাইছিল, ওরা কম সময় হয়েছে, ওদের জন্য এনাফ হয় নাই। ওরা বলছে আমরা চলে যাবো কেন এখন। আবার আর হামজার মেয়ে তো কান্নাই করছে, এয়ারপোর্টে এসে চলে আসছি কেন, আবার কবে আসবে। এবং ইভেন হামজার বাচ্চারা সহ হামজার ওয়াইফও সে বলছে আমাদের সময়টা একদম কম হয়ে গেছে, এত অল্প সময়ের জন্য বাড়িতে আসা ঠিক হয় নাই, আমাদের আবার আসতে হবে, এই সময় থাকতে হবে।
Alhamdulillah, it's great the fact that it's the people that have put him into that position. It's everybody's goodwill and good wishes that has put him in the position he is. May Allah give him the strength to actually carry that torch that everybody's making him carry, and inshallah it'll be good for everybody, not just for him, for whole of Bangladesh and for the generations to come. It's not, the thing is, the way we see it is not just, we can't just see what's in front of us, we've got to see beyond, we've got to dream bigger. And anything is achievable. It's one of the things we've always taught our children. Anything is possible. Don't limit yourself. We don't know, anything can happen. Alhamdulillah, from where Hamza was to who he's become to what he's become to the people, anything that we're seeing it live. So, inshallah, that's possible for anybody and everybody. So, inshallah, that is what will happen.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T-Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.